Welcome to the Medical Staff Voice Live. I'm Dr. Stan Frosway, Chief Medical Officer at Community Memorial Health System, and I'm joined today by Tom Parra, Director of Specialty Operations. Welcome, Tom.
Thank you, Dr. Stan.
Tom, we are here today to discuss the Blue Distinction Plus designation for spine surgery that Community Memorial Hospital was recently awarded. But prior to that, can you tell me about yourself and your role at CMH?
Absolutely, Dr. Stan. I started with our organization in 2015, had various roles since then, but my current role is Director of Specialty Operations. What that entails is I handle all the business side of surgical services as well as the cardiac cath lab. And I also have some shared responsibilities in managing surgical services with my counterpart, Director of Surgical Services, Marilyn Harris.
Very good. Well, that's a great person to work with, and you guys must make a wonderful team.
She's an asset for sure.
What is the Blue Distinction Plus designation for spine surgery? Who awards this? What's the difference between Blue Distinction and Blue Distinction Plus? What does that signify?
Great question, Dr. Stan. So Blue Distinction Plus is awarded by Blue Cross Blue Shield. And what it is a way to recognize quality spine programs that have met certain criteria, certain metrics that will include and deliver quality care to our patient population at an affordable cost. Let's focus on certain other criteria as far as surgical site infections and overall showing excellence in our spine program.
That sounds wonderful. So the plus component of it sounds that we've learned how to make our procedures and processes here more cost effective through efficiencies and expertise in that fashion.
That's 100% correct, Dr. Stan. As you know, healthcare costs are rising, and being able to deliver high quality, excellent healthcare at an affordable cost to our community members is not an easy task, but our skillful team, our skillful surgeons have been able to accomplish just that, thus the designation.
Thank you. That's so important because we know that cost often translates as access to care. And for us to then be able to express our access improvement through this cost effectiveness is really a great achievement.
Absolutely. And being a community hospital, we need to have access to our entire community. So whatever we can do to facilitate that, that's at the forefront of our thought process always.
Wow, that's incredible. Are there any other facilities in Ventura County with this Blue Distinction Plus designation?
Great question, Dr. Stan. There is not. I'd say within a 50-mile radius, we're the unique program that has been awarded this. There could be many reasons, but I'd like to think that the criteria set forth was so stringent, time-consuming, that a lot of programs probably just didn't make the cut. Us being always looking forward, always striving for excellence, not just in spine surgery, but all our surgical programs and within our organization, we decided to take on that task, and I'm proud to report that we completed it and we were awarded.
Would I be accurate in saying then that we really need to thank our hospital staff, our physician staff, and our administrative leadership in bringing us to where we are?
Absolutely, Dr. Stan. It takes a village, as the saying goes, and there was lots of bits and pieces, lots of pieces at play outside of just the operations themselves. Lots of players within surgical services, as you said, are skillful physicians, and the support that leadership has given us has allowed us to even embark on this journey to get this designation.
Thank you. That's excellent. What's involved in the selection process to actually receive the designation? What about the process brought us to here?
Well, one point I want to make, Dr. Stan, is that this designation isn't volume-based, meaning that it's not based on a robust spine program, so here we're going to award you this designation. It's based on quality outcomes, and part of the process is self-reporting to Blue Cross Blue Shield all of our surgical procedures and what the outcomes were, different criteria they use to judge that. And we have to be within a certain threshold. And we not only met that threshold, but we exceeded it. We're very proud of that, because it also reminds us of what we do day in and day out and the quality care that we provide for our patients.
It's nice to see those kinds of efforts are actually rewarded sometimes.
Absolutely, absolutely. We wear it like a badge of honor.
And well said. How many physicians currently are partnering with CMHS in our spine program?
We currently have 6 spine surgeons on staff that actively participate with this program and our various modalities that we offer.
And I understand that our spine surgeries are performed both by neurosurgical spine surgeons and orthopedic spine surgeons that work together.
Absolutely, and we're lucky to have that partnership. We have 2 highly skilled surgeons nonetheless, but different approaches that we can collaborate with to make sure we're touching all parts of the community, offering a solution for everybody.
That's a great explanation. I understand we also offer robotic surgery of the spine. This is really pretty cutting edge and new. Could you explain that?
Another thing to be proud of, we are a community hospital, yet we offer cutting edge technology to our local community and provide access to our physicians to this type of technology. We have a spine robot, Excelsius is what we call it, and you couple this GPS navigation technology in a skillful surgeon's hands, and our surgical outcomes improve. Our efficiency improves, which translates into a better overall patient care experience for our patients. We're very proud of that, to be a community hospital and be able to offer that type of technology.
That really is impressive. Thank you. Are there any other robotics being used in the orthopedic area at both CMH as well as Ojai Valley Community Hospital?
Absolutely. We partnered with Zimmer, and we offer the ROSA total joint robot, which we specifically use for total knees and total hips. And I'm happy to say that in California, we are one of the top programs. We are going head to head with top academic medical institutions. That's how well we've refined this process. I would encourage anybody that's looking into a total joint replacement, look at us. There's no need to go outside of our county. There's no need to explore other areas, because all the technology and the skillful hands are here right in your own backyard.
And we're so fortunate we have a orthopedic residency training program where academics are considered part of our organization.
That's another feather in our cap, Dr. Stan, because we're training the future. We're training the future generations, and we're able to train them on this technology that we have, whether it's the spine robot, whether it's the ROSA robot, and one other robot we have is the Da Vinci robot for general thoracic, urological procedures. I would like to think of us as the Ventura County Center of Excellence for robotics.
Yeah, I think you're well stated in that we were one of the first places to begin robotic surgery in Southern California, period.
Absolutely, and we're on a trajectory to continue to strive. Just like our designation that we've obtained, we're always looking for ways to improve our processes, and excellence begins with caring. That's what we say, and we constantly strive for excellence.
And I think that caring part is important in achieving what we've achieved to date. It also is, many people don't realize that by having this advanced equipment and technology, we draw and attract young physicians to the area that want to continue what they've learned in academic centers, which means we get the best and the brightest coming here.
Absolutely, and we would expect nothing less, Dr. Stan. We only want to attract that, but it's definitely the cherry on top of the sundae to be able to say, hey, look at us. We are competing with that major academic program, north and south. You want to take a look at us, and we're right on the beach as well. that helps. That helps.
Very nice. Thank you for tuning in to learn more about the Blue Distinction Plus designation for spine surgery awarded to Community Memorial Health System. For more information on all the services and specialties offered at Community Memorial Health System, visit cmhshealth.org and be sure to like and subscribe for more from your community health system. Thank you, Mr. Parra.
It's been a pleasure, Dr. Stan.
My pleasure.